Hey, this is CryptoCruz once again with CoinFinancial bringing you another Bitcoin price analysis. All right. So now, I actually have some good news for y'all tonight. But before we start, if you like this type of content, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well down there. That way you can get notified with all the latest videos that I upload. All right. So now, what we've been talking about in the past week was this falling wedge right here. And I said we need to break this resistant line, this white resistant line up here. We need to break that and break above it and create a support, make that into a support. And yesterday, we actually did that. As you can see, that small green candle right there, we broke it, right? It's awesome. It's great. So if we zoom in, you can actually see more. Boom. And as you can see, we broke straight through it. We haven't broken this resistant line since November of last year. Okay? Since our top. Since the top, we have not broken that resistant line. We may have wicked through it, but we have not broken above it like what we're doing now. Okay? So that is good news. Because why? What was once resistance becomes support when you break it, and vice versa. What was once support becomes resistant when you break through it. So right now we have turned this resistant into support. Hopefully we stay above it for the rest of the week. We are looking at Sunday, end of day. If we close the weekly candle above this, we have just made a nice, strong, solid candle above this resistant line, which will then become a strong support line. All right. Another chart that I want to talk about is the 3-day death cross. Right? It's called 3-day death cross, but it's not really what you think. It's not bad at all. When the 3-day death cross happens, it actually usually, according to the past, it usually indicates the bottom of a market. Right? That's why I truly believe we have bottomed. Then again, we also talked about the Wyckoff accumulation pattern that happened right here, right? This is the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, and then it goes up and then makes a bull flag right there and then goes up again, or also known as the cup and handle pattern. What we're seeing here now is actually a Wyckoff accumulation pattern forming right here, and we can break up here as well. Once we break that resistant line, right, we can break up just like what we did in the past, form a small bull flag before we head higher. So next stop would be 30K, form a bull flag somewhere around 30K, and then go higher all the way to 40K. Right? That is actually my prediction. That's what I'm looking at. Those are my price points with this Wyckoff accumulation pattern. Again, why do I believe we have bottomed? Let us look at the chart. I am going to turn off all these Bollinger indicators. Okay. That way the chart looks a bit cleaner. Turn on my 200 MA and 100 MA. Okay. And then turn off my... let me move myself. There you go. Turn off my logarithmic. Where is that? Or turn on my logarithmic. Sorry. Okay. Now they're in a log mode. We can clearly look at it now. This is the week. This is the 3-day chart. Okay. So, just so y'all can see it a lot better, I am gonna turn. I guess I can turn. Now, y'all can see that, right? Y'all see the blue line? Okay, so usually in the past datas, I'm just stating the facts in the chart, okay? Past datas, usually when the blue line crosses the red line, that is known as the 3-day death cross on the 3-day chart. And when that happens, it usually indicates the bottom of a bear market, and then we rally higher, Okay, this is the first one that actually happened. This one happened in, well, I don't know if it's the first one, but dating back, this is the first one in this chart. This chart actually dates back all the way to 2010, July 2010. The first death cross in this chart happened in June 2012. And that indicated a bottom, and then we just kept going up and up and up. And then the next death cross, oh, actually the next bear market happened right here. And then death cross happened again, indicating our bottom right there, right? And we went up and up and up again, right? Now we are in the 2017 bull market right here. And then 2018 bear market, we formed the death cross right here again, indicating another, what? Bottom, okay? And then we went up. This actually was the COVID crash. We double bottom, but nonetheless, it hit the bottom, which is around 3K. That's the bottom, right? This death cross indicated that 3,500 is the bottom. Okay, so we actually didn't hit 3,500 here. We hit like 3,800. Okay, and we just kept going up and up and up, all the way to our bull market that we recently had at 67,000 double top. And guess what's happening right now, guys? This is another death cross, indicating what? Another bottom is what I believe. And here's another thing too. I'm just stating the facts in the charts. It's always so. When the 3-day death cross happen, usually the price action rallies up to this blue line, right? And then on the 2017 and then 2018 bear market, what am I doing? I'm just gonna erase that. That's not necessary. Yeah, bear market right here. Whenever we bottomed, we rallied up to where? The blue line, and then broke above it. Rallied to the blue line right here, broke above it. Okay, and now what do you think is gonna happen, right? Where's the $30,000 mark? $30,000 mark is right where the blue line is going to be. You see that? Right there. Okay? 30,000. And then we may move sideways for a little bit there until we break above it. That's what we're looking at. And then we're going to what? 40K most likely. Okay? 40K is where the red line is probably going to be at right here. Right? 38, 40K. Yeah, so that is the 3-day death cross. And here's a new chart that I want to show y'all. It just flashed red. This chart just flashed red, but it's not what you think. It's not a red bad, actually. So I'm going to show y'all on, again, let's go to the weekly chart. And we are going to go to my other, right there. Actually, yeah. Turn on my Bollinger Bands again. That looks weird, doesn't it? That's why I have my logarithmic chart turned on, because of that very reason. Turned off. Yeah, there you go. Turn it off. All right, so indicators. I know it looks kind of crazy right now, right? But what we want to look at is the very bottom indicator, the white and red. Kind of reminds you of Christmas, right? But anyways, the white and red indicator. Usually in past datas, actually, you think maybe it'll look better without the Bollinger? Let's just make it raw. That way we can focus on what we need to focus on. Okay, just ignore you know what? I can always redraw that with 2 white line. I'm gonna take that off. This is live, guys. It's not edited. This is not rehearsed. I don't rehearse my stuff. I just record and tell y'all what I know and read the charts. All right, I am just simply reading the charts to you like a storyteller reading a book. But anyways, so this looks better actually. We're gonna go to the weekly chart. There you go. And now, if you look at the past, right? If you look at past data, okay, usually when we flash white, it's actually a bad sign. When we flash red, it's when we rally. We tend to rally. Right here, when we flashed white, boom, we crashed landed. When we flashed red, it's actually when we rallied, right? Here we flashed red, we rallied a little bit, flashed right, boom, we broke back down. Here we flashed red, okay, we rallied a little bit, flashed white, we made a small correction, flashed red again, we rallied. As long as we stay in red, we are rallying up until we flashed white right here. Just follow my cursor, right? Hopefully y'all can follow. Flash white right here, boom, we crashed again, right? So, and this is actually our bull market right now, right? The bull market that we just saw. We flashed white, and then we flashed red, we rallied up again until here we flashed white, we kind of went sideways, and what do you call this? Flashed red, we went up a little bit, it actually formed that bear flag, and then when we flashed white, that's when we broke down. Okay, but look at what's happening here. We flashed red again. Okay, as long as we stay in red, I believe we are moving up. We're going back up. Okay, every time we flash red on this is actually a good sign that we're gonna make a rally to the upside. So those are the indicators that I've been watching. MACD is actually looking pretty good as well. Everything is looking good, right? We hit the oversold territory. We're going back up. There's actually a bullish divergence here because we're making a low, a higher low, and a higher low while we're moving sideways, actually creating here a low and a lower low, right? The MACD is turning green. If you see that, if we zoom in on that, that is very bullish right there too. You can see it clear when you zoom in on it, right? Yeah, that is a bullish MACD right there. So, that's all I have for right now. Our next level, again, that we're looking at is the $30,000 level. But again, we still have to wait because we still need to close Sunday above the line. What line? Let's draw it again. It is this line right here. It's yellow now. Hold on. That's not it. That's right. So I also turn off the logarithmic chart because it's easier to do. It's more accurate to do tech analysis on the non-logarithmic chart. That is a mouthful. But yeah, so now let's redraw that again just so y'all see how I draw my lines. There it is right there. Come on. Just make sure it hits touch points. There it is. All right. There you go. And then for the other one, be right there. And that's it. See? Simple. We can turn it white because it was white before. Oh, what is that? Turn it white. Turn that one white. And there you have it, guys. That's it. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. That's what we're looking at right now. Everything's looking good. Hopefully we hold above that white line and close above it on end of day Sunday. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe my video, and also to share this video with at least one person. That will help out the channel if you like me to continue and keep growing this this family of ours and for me to continue making videos. I totally enjoy it. I love it. Let's just share this video with as much people as possible. All right. Thank you very much. Until next time. Bye.